Hi, this is John with WTI, and I've been trying to improve my hair health for the past month and a half. So, one of the biggest recommendations I get from my friends that they have curly hair or hair like mine was to get a good conditioner. And this was the Cantu hair conditioner that it's just working so great right now. Well, first of all, one of the things that I like the most is how good it smells. This is a shea butter conditioner. So whenever I go in the shower, first thing I do is go and get the shampoo in. But after that, I soften the hair or dry it a little bit and then put the conditioner where it doesn't give me any residue. It smells great. It softened my hair to a moment that it feels like it's a great hair. It's alright. So whenever you're trying to retain the moisture of your hair and not to have too much frizz that is going to take your hair going to different places, this guy here is just working great for me. And I'm having already the full set, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the styling cream and all that. But this one here, part of my essentials right now. So if you're looking for a great conditioner that is going to help you a lot, smells great, and it's going to be good for you to have a good set of curls, this one from Cantu is great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.